Hey scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app, and today we're going to talk about scrap electronics and other laptops, iPads, and tablets. But don't forget, before we talk about this, please subscribe to our channel. This way we can help you make more money with your scrap metal, showing you all types of ways to take things apart, upgrade them, and moving forward, just learning more about scrap. So in front of me, you see kind of a cluster mess here of electronics, right? You see some switches, you see some ports, laptop, cords. If you dig down a little bit, you can see other type of equipment, stronger amps from AV equipments, other larger things. And what's great about these is there's all types of upgradable items on them. You can remove the cords and put them into a category. You can take these, crack them open, and get the boards out. If they have gold, move them into another category. So mixed electronics, instead of having just one grade, learn how to break them down. Learn what the board looks like, where the gold is, and the more gold you find, the higher you can do it. Now, if you look over here, let's talk about some other things that we have. This is an example of a couple of laptops. Now, I am gonna warn you, when you go to open laptops up, if you're really interested in seeing what they look like, please watch out for the batteries. If you puncture the battery, you're gonna have problems. A, you could get a quick electric shock from like a screwdriver going in there. You don't need that. B, and really more importantly, if you don't know what you're doing and you handle it the wrong way, batteries can be dangerous. So please don't do things, especially if you're going to get hurt. Now, when we look at these laptops, you can open these things up and see the screen, see the keyboards, but really, if you kind of flip it over, that's where you're going to see a lot of the guts. Now, inside these laptops, there's different things to look for. These were pulled out earlier. These were the RAM that was inside. So when you have the RAM and you open the thing up, that's something that's fairly easy to remove, but you need to make sure that you unscrew it completely so you're able to pull the boards out. Generally, the CPU is going to be on the board and you can't pop it off like you would other ones. But if you kind of scroll down to this one, you can see there's little fans inside to keep them cool. But unfortunately, see these, they look more red. They're using more and more copper instead of gold. Now, if you look at the bottom of this laptop, for instance, what do you see? Really tiny screws. Now, you normally need to have a specialty screwdriver. This is looks like a star pattern, but a very, very small one. And there's 8 or 10 of these on there, so you need to have the right tools. It's not as easy sometimes as taking a hammer and busting it open, especially when you got the battery inside. That doesn't look like a winning deal to me. So generally, my rule of thumb is not to take laptops apart. You don't make that much extra money taking laptops apart. Where you're gonna make money would be on a larger tower like this, right? This is gonna have a bigger hard drive, a higher grade motherboard because it's computing higher. So that's something that you may wanna take apart. But when you look on the back of this kind of all-in-one Mac, it's crazy to see these things. These are a pain in the ass to get off, scrappers. Look, no screws, right? On the bottom, you got a couple of things where you can pop the hard drive and get quick access to the RAM. But this is a bit of a pain in the butt. So you're going to want to be careful because this front, that's a big piece of glass. And if you crack it the wrong way, you're not wearing PPE, that's where your hands get cut. So when I look at these, when I look at laptops, taking them apart, lots of different ways to make money with these. But overall, scrappers, these are items that I would just take. I would just keep throwing them into the scrap pile. You're not going to make that much extra money taking these things apart, and I'm trying to help you make more money. So let's just say case closed on the laptop matter. When it comes to mixed electronics, that's an area that you can upgrade, especially if you're going to sell something as a mixed or a low-grade board. That gives you a little higher of an upgrade, making more money on it. So hopefully this helped you. Don't forget to check out our other electronics videos on how to make more money on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and follow to our channel. Until next time, I'll scrap you later.